Hello, friends. Welcome back to the lab. Baking is a science, but gluten-free sourdough? That's a wild experiment. I have spent the week obsessing over hydration and chia gel, so you don't have to. Today, I finally cracked the code on the perfect loaf. Let's look at the data. Let's bake. I am using 18 grams of finely ground chia seed. Mix that with 120 grams of warm water and let it sit for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want a thick and heavy jelly. This is what provides the stretch that mimic wheat. Now add your gluten-free starter, the rest of your warm water, flours, salt, sugar, olive oil to that chia gel. Here is where people get confused. You need to mix hard for full 2 minutes. Really work that paste. The texture goal here is specific. It should be thicky, sticky paste. It is not a traditional dough you can knead, and it is not a pureable batter. If it is look like thick frosting, you are on the right track. Let it rest for 25 minutes to hydrate. No folding is required here, just patience. For shaping, we are not doing tension folds. Just use a wet spatula to smooth the top and place it into parchment linen banneton. Now let's talk proofing. This is the most critical stage. You are looking for 50 to 60% rise only. Look for a slight dome and very gentle jiggle when you move the bowl. This usually takes 3.5 to 5 hours. If you are not sure if it is ready, wait another 20 minutes. Underproofing is the number one cause of dense gluten free loaf. Preheat your Dutch oven at 450 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes on the lower middle rack. Pro tip: place an empty tray on a rack below it act as a heat shield. This prevents the bottom of your bread from burning before top is done. Load your dough and bake for 40 minutes covered. After remove the lid, move the loaf for another 10 minutes. If it is done, take the loaf out from the Dutch oven and put it directly on a rack. You can give it a try 1 minute broil to get the golden crust. The hardest part, you have to wait. If you slice this now, the steam will turn the inside into gummy mess. Give it 3 hour minimum. Once it cool, you will have a loaf that crispy on outside and soft on inside. If this helped your gluten-free baking journey, hit that subscribe button for more experiment. Here's at Karthik's Flavor Lab. Happy baking.